Hello everyone, we meet again in the engineering geology course. Today we will be discussing on the geological time scale. Geological time scale. Geological time scale is the Earth dating system that is used to explain the time and the relationship between the events occurring throughout the Earth history. Now, it is known that the Earth age is approximately 4.6 billion years. Earth's geological time is categorized based on the events that occurred on each period. The geological time scale that is established by International Union of Geological Science (USGS) in 2004 divided Earth's history into several time intervals that have different lengths and measured in calendar system. The current geological time scale that we have is made based on the radiometric method and the record of life in the ancient times that is being preserved in rock layer. Most of the limits of the current geological time is based on the period of extinction and emergence of new species. Fossil is used to be the basis of geological time scale. The names of Aeon and Era and with Soikum. This is due to the fact that the time is recognized based on the animals. The rocks formed during Proterozoic era may consist of fossils from unicellular organisms such as bacteria and algae. The rocks formed during Phanerozoic era may consist of fossils from complex animals and plants such as dinosaurs and mammals. Determining Earth age. In general, there are two methods used. First, analyzing the fossil content of in a rock using the properties of radioactive isotopes. Relative age. Relative age is the age that is determined based on the rock position, sediment, or the fossils. On the other words, the relative age does not show any number, but a statement of which rock is older compared to the other ones based on the formation process. Determining the relative age can be done by first, original horizontally principle by Nicholas Steno. Second, cross-cutting relationship by James Hutton. Fossil. Fossil is only available in the sedimentary rock. The layer in sedimentary rock contain certain elements that can be used to determine the chronology of events based on the fossil contained in the rock. For now, determining the rock are based on the fossil in the reliable and has been used widely. The most commonly used method is paleontology or micropaleontology. If two rocks contain the same type of fossil, there is a high chance that both rocks have similar age. Absolute age. Absolute age is the age shown by a number obtained from measuring radioactive decay. There are a number of methods used to determine the absolute age. First, by measuring the thickness of sediment layer and the sedimentation speed. Radiometry method. Absolute age. In physics and chemistry classes, it has been learned that the number of atoms in certain element is the number of protons in the element and it cannot be changed. The nucleus consists of neutrons whose number may vary without changing the number of protons. The atom of an element can contain different numbers of neutrons called isotope. An atom is named based on the mass number, which is the number of neutrons and protons. In general, a chemistry element is the combination of a number of isotopes, and isotopes are generally stable. There are a number of unstable isotopes such as carbon, which is a radioactive element because its nucleus is unstable. The nucleus of radioactive isotope will spontaneously transform into a more stable isotope from the same element or another element. This changing process is called decay. For example, 14 degrees Celsius decays become 14N and 238U decays become 206 pp. The original isotope before decaying process is called the parents, and the result of the decaying process is called the daughter. The speed of radioactive decay is not the same. Same decay faster than the others. It doesn't depend on the chemical or physical condition, and hence it doesn't depend on the geological processes. Half-life. The speed of radioactive decay is presented in time. For example, to determine the mineral age, a natural radioactive element is being used. The percentage ratio will always be 12:88 and is not influenced by the chemical and physical condition and or the geological condition. The percentage ratio is constant, and hence to determine how much 40K decays, either R or Ca can be chosen. By knowing the number of 40K and 40 AR and a half time, the decay time, which is identical to the rock's age, can be calculated by the equation below. Non-radiometry methods. There are a number of non-radiometry methods can be used. First, FARF analysis. Second, dendrochronology. Third, paleomagnetism. Geologic columns. From the stratigraph correlation, the geologic columns are arranged based on the event occurred on Earth. The international time scale that is being used as a time unit is geological column are aeon, era, period, epoch. This is aeon, era, period. This is the geologic time scale during from the era, period, and epoch. Well, that is all for this session. Until we meet again in the next session, thank you.